We are at the Fairmont Hotel in downtown Montreal, and we got the penthouse room with a beautiful downtown view. Check this out. Your very own luxury spa in your room. And a humongous shower. It's a beautiful morning. I got some grapes and some fruits for breakfast. The croissant I had yesterday, which was really good. We're staying at the Fairmont Hotel. So these are all the cool events they're gonna have by the ring. And they put the dates and time, and people could come and enjoy. It's pretty cool. Some of them need reservations. Right here. You see it? Yeah, it's the ring. I'm glad I came here. People come here sometimes to just relax or read books, and there's a cool bench here as well, but because I feel like it's wet right now because after the rain, so I'll show you guys. It's such a good place to relax. They're singing. It's very hot when a man sings to you, you know? Oh, I could just fall asleep here. It's my dress. It's nice that they have something like this. You just sit down and relax, and it's so comfortable too. And you could just breathe in the fresh air. It's like the perfect weather. We just got back to the hotel, take a quick shower, and then go to sleep. What I really like about the shower is these windows are tinted. conditioner or a shower gel. But that's okay. We're on the 21st floor at Fairmont. And this is the lounge we're entering. It's breakfast at the lounge today. There's a fruit salad, some berries, different type of cereals. Variety of juices, cranberry, grapefruit, and orange. Chicken sausages, hash browns. Crepes. It's really hot. Some oatmeal. Scrambled eggs. An espresso machine. Different types of teas and coffees. And this is breakfast in the lounge area. And the beautiful view of Montreal. Hottest day of the summer so far. The hotel brought us some waters with some ice and a fan to keep us cool. Just heading to the lounge for dinner. The view of the lounge.
C'est lequel vous avez dit?
C'est le deuxième, c'est ça.
Grab some chicken. And these are the mini treats I got. Can't wait to try them. They look so good.